Welcome to my comprehensive review of Xero, the popular accounting software designed for businesses of all sizes. In this video, I'll walk you through Xero's features, usability, and overall value based on my personal experience. Starting with the website's homepage, Xero greets you with a clean, professional layout. The navigation bar at the top offers access to key sections like plans, features, and support, making it easy to explore the platform's offerings. When you log in, you're taken to the main dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your financials. It displays important metrics such as cash flow, invoices, and expenses, all laid out in an intuitive way. Xero's interface stands out for its simplicity and modern design, making it approachable even for those new to accounting software. One of the standout features is Xero's invoicing system. You can quickly create and send invoices, customize them to match your brand, and even set up automated reminders for clients. Another major highlight is the bank reconciliation tool, which allows you to connect your bank accounts and reconcile transactions seamlessly. This saves a significant amount of time and reduces manual data entry. For business owners managing payroll, Xero offers a robust payroll module. It's well integrated, enabling you to handle employee payments, taxes, and compliance all in one place. The platform also supports a variety of third-party app integrations, such as payment processors and CRM systems, enhancing its overall functionality. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to further explore tools and tips that can complement your accounting needs. Another strong point of Xero is its reporting capabilities. The software allows you to generate detailed reports, including profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow forecasts. These reports can be customized and exported, which is incredibly useful for businesses needing to share insights with stakeholders or accountants. The pricing structure of Xero is straightforward, offering several tiers to suit businesses of different sizes and needs. While it may not be the cheapest option on the market, the value provided by its features and functionality is worth considering. Support is another area where Xero shines. They offer a comprehensive help center, live chat support, and various educational resources, including webinars and tutorials. These tools are invaluable for both new and experienced users looking to make the most of the platform. Overall, Xero is a well-rounded accounting solution ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and freelancers. Its user-friendly interface, extensive features, and solid support make it a top choice in the accounting software market. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more insights into business tools and software. Your support helps us create even more in-depth reviews and tutorials for you.